Hello and welcome in a new video with Node.js tips and tricks. Before we start, please subscribe my channel and let's start. In this video we'll talk about promise or order of execution in Node.js. So I have write some examples to make the video faster. The first thing we have console.log, so we will see something in terminal console.log 1 and 2 and 3 with no delay for these 3 lines. So when we start our application we will see on terminal 1, then 2, then 3. After that we will see this equal marks to make separator. Let's save and check for the first time. So if we have 1, 2 and 3, let's delete the rest of code, everything clear. So we have just 1, 2, 3 and the equal operator. Because there's no delay in this example, so all the output executed in the same order of what we write out. But if we put something like that, if we put console.log 1, after that set timeout. Set timeout means wait for 1 second and then log 2, and after that log 3. What's the order that we will have here? First thing, there is no delay on console.log 1, so it will print first one. After that he will come to this line and he will see that he should wait for 1 second. So when he wait for 1 second he will execute the console.log 3 because there is no delay in this statement. After that, after 1 second, he will come back and console.log 2. Let's see and check if that's true. First thing, 1, 2, 3 here and the equal operator, 1, 2, 3 and the equal operator. After that 1 because no delay. After that here we have delay, so he will not execute it for now. He start counting for 1 second. After that he will print console.log 3. After the 1 second end he will come back and print 2. So we have the line 1, 2, 3, but we have the output for 1, 3, 1, 3 and then 2 because we have delay. So what we have to do if we need to make this work in the same order that we have right, so we need to print 1, after that 2, after that 3. Also we have a delay in one of them or two of them, so in this case we need to use promise. Promise in Node means that code will promise us to execute the code inside it one by one, and when finished he will give me the result, the final result after he finish all the statements. So I will delete this and just put the example of promise. You see we can use promise.all, and that means we have more than one promise. For first one promise, it's a new promise, and the resolve we have arrow function resolve. Inside this function we will wait for 2 seconds and then resolve, that means return the value 1. And other promise we will wait just 1 second and resolve 2, and here we will wait for 3 seconds and resolve 3. So if you see 2 will appear or will display on after 1 second, and then 1 because it's just 2 seconds, and then 3 because it's after 3 seconds. So after that, after we have put promise.all inside all variable, we can print or write all dot then. After the all finish, then we will get some result, res or result or x, anything you want. When we get this result, just print it on screen. So how do you think the output will be? 1, 2, 3, or 3, 1, 2, or 3, 2, 1, or what? Let's save and make our application running, and we'll see it's just waiting for now, nothing appear, and will all the data appear in the same time, because promise.all execute each promise, and after finish all the promise inside it, after that it will return the result. After we have the result returned from promise, then we can log this result. So first he enter inside this block and he wait for 2 seconds and get the one value. After that wait for 1 second and get the 2. After that wait for 3 seconds and get the 3, and he printed as the same order as we have right in our code example. So that's the useful of promise. It make our code synchronize, do the code line by line, and after that, after he finish every single line, he will return return the result to our can use it inside another thing by using then function. So then mean after the promise finish, then I can get the result. After that I can do whatever I want in this result. So that was a simple explanation of promise. Of course there is a lot of examples about promise, but this uh, make us understand how promise is working. It wait until all the code block finish, after that return the result in one time. After we get the result we can do anything with it by using then function. So this is our video today, and I hope it's useful video, and please subscribe my channel, support me, and see you on the next video.